I'm Dr. Laila Rodriguez. I work here at Secure Dental, and I'm a specialist in implant dentistry and aesthetic dentistry. Well, dental implants is a procedure that we do here in the office. That basically we put in a fixture inside the patient's jawbone to replace a natural tooth that has been lost, and then after some healing time, then we place a crown on top. Well, it's a very strong option because it's a very good treatment for the patients since it's a fixed option. So these options, if it's like from one crown to entire set of teeth, these are fixed options. So the patients are really comfortable with this type of treatments because they don't have to take it out or take them out, and then putting them back in. They're quite hygienic, so patients can really keep up with home care after finishing the treatment really good. So that's why it's a very, very strong option. Usually when a patient experiences some kind of extraction or some kind of trauma that we have to take the teeth out, or some kind of infection that we have to also take the teeth out, usually when we put in the implants, it's a very straightforward treatment because nowadays the implants are made out of very biocompatible materials, which actually allows very good healing for the patient. And usually the patients are really good with this treatment. They do really good with this treatment because when they leave out of the office, usually they leave out with the implants placed, and the healing is really straightforward within 1 to 2 weeks. So a lot of patients usually are nervous about the surgery itself because usually they have heard things about it on the internet, but here on Secure Dental, what we do is that we use either local anesthesia or local anesthesia adjunct with something else like nitrous oxide, which is known as laughing gas, or also conscious sedation, which actually allows the patient to be fully conscious but very, very, very relaxed. So the treatment could go as smooth as possible. And well, the most used part would be the healing, but the patient would not be in pain, would not be swelling, but the healing, it does require a little bit of time before we can actually load those implants. Yes, definitely. Actually, a lot of times when we do these surgeries, usually the patient is expecting to last a long time. The patients actually come here thinking they're gonna be in the chair maybe for like an hour or two, but usually they're very surprised when we do these treatments in less than an hour for them. So it's really, really straightforward treatment. Okay, so a lot of people or a lot of patients may think that they're not candidates because they have some systemic diseases or they have been missing teeth for a long time. But the good news is that we can actually use some type of bone graft for them if they're missing some bone, also if they have some systemic disease, and we can manage the systemic disease along with their health providers. Then we can definitely go for the implant treatment. Yes. Well, the treatment of implants, it's a little bit more expensive than other kind of option like a bridge maybe, or even it could be a same price of bridge as well. But patients may think it's an expensive option because we have to use different type of components, such as abutments that are made or fabricated from very good alloys in very, very good factories. So all of this process, of course, comes with a price. Also, the type of implants that we use here, they're one of the most premium options. So we're not placing any type of implant, but we're placing a very good brand. And also regarding the material that we use to restore those implants is quite good, which is zirconia. It's a very strong ceramic and highly biocompatible, so that the patient doesn't have any problems in the long run. Okay, well, a lot of patients consider if they're either good candidates for implants or not. For these patients, I invite them to come to the office and have a consult with us so we can determine if they're good candidates or not. Also, they think a lot about the surgery itself, if they're gonna be in pain after the surgery, or if it's going to take too long for us to put in the teeth. Actually, all of these questions can be answered during the consult, but usually it's a straightforward treatment, and it's a treatment that mostly anyone can get done. So in case you're wondering, I invite you to come for a consult so we can answer all these questions. Okay, so usually if a patient picks the best alternative to replace an entire set of teeth, that is usually a bridge over 4 to 6 implants, then they will not be like changing the prosthesis that often as if a patient gets a denture. Because dentures are made out of plastic, they rely solely on the bone structure that the patient has and the gum quality that the patient has as well. So these are tissue-based prosthetics, prostheses, and the implants are screwed into fixtures that are in the bone. So usually they're more stable, and usually patients, they don't have any problems chewing with those prostheses, and they actually do really good long term.